Ohop Creek was ditched over 100 years ago in order to drain this floodplain. It was homesteaded at the end of the 1800s, and it was a very wild, wet area, very difficult to travel through and to raise any cows, which was the plan. So the creek was ditched and effectively removed all of the habitat value for salmon. So when the Land Trust became involved, we've been working with a lot of different partners, the South Puget Sound Salmon Enhancement Group, the Nisqually Indian Tribe, and a multitude of other partners in order to restore some of that lost habitat. This has involved the acquisition of the property. We have acquired the lower 2.5 miles of the creek, and we're working on restoring that creek bed as the first part of our project, which involves digging a new channel with heavy machinery, moving the creek from the side of the valley into the center again so that it has its full floodplain, and then restoring the previous pasture land to native plants, which is what's going on right behind me right now. For salmon, they require some structural differences in the stream. The ditch that was here before was a straight, deep channel that was very fast moving. The goal was to move the water off the land as fast as possible, and it's not the sort of stream that exists in nature. So what we did was re-meander the stream so it has more natural bends and curves in it. So the water has places to slow down, it creates eddies and shallow areas. And then the other thing that was missing from the river was wood, because all of the trees had been removed from the valley a long time ago. So we've added some log jams into the river, bringing in large logs and stumps to add a bit of structure. The fish need places to get out of the current in order to rest, and it also creates habitat for their food. And here we're planting more trees so that the next generation of trees will be around to shade the creek and fall into the water to provide that habitat.